Hello everybody, my name is Helena Markovic. I'm living in Lower Austria in the wine growing area Carnuntum. I'm currently studying international wine business at the IMC in Krems. And the reason why I chose this program is because we have a family-owned winery and one day I hopefully run this business with my sister.
Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm living in a small village in Lower Austria. I'm studying international wine business because I'm fascinated by the product wine and its diversity.
Hello everyone, my name is Magdalena and I'm from Austria. I'm currently studying international wine business at the IMC in Krems. The reason why I chose the study program is because I wanted to have a combination of economic subjects and at the same time to get a general education about wine.
I really like the MC and enjoy to study there because the city center is super lovely and we're surrounded by so many vineyards.
The cool thing about studying in Krems is that there are so many international students and that the lectures are in English.
I really like Krems. It's because it's the combination of living in the city, but at the same time you can enjoy freedom and spend time in the vineyards.
And we have some super top wineries in the region, and I think this is a really good opportunity to get some insights into the wine business.
The IMC offers a perfect study program and the lecturers are so nice and they always try to help you whenever you have an individual problem or you need some further explanation or any kind of help.
Hey guys, why am I teaching in wine business? Well, very simply, because I grew up on a winery. I had an international career at global corporations in consulting, and I realized that knowledge can be shared also with small and medium-sized wine businesses, and even with students that are then growing into international corporations. And it is fun. I love to share my knowledge. I love to inspire people, and I'm deeply convinced when we share knowledge, it grows exponential. That's why I'm loving lecturing. That's why I'm loving to share my knowledge in international wine business.
So I'm really looking forward to welcome you in Krems. Cheers guys!